Hi friends, welcome back to our channel and another episode of HGG Home, our DIY design and lifestyle series. Today I'm going to share with you how we made this DIY rock climbing wall in my son's room. Here's what this corner of my son's room looked like before. We had this media table from West Elm, which we actually used as a changing table, and we also had these sweet bunny prints, which we have used in both kids' nurseries. I'm sad to see the bunny prints go, but as my son grows up, I know he's excited for his rock climbing wall, and it's another great way for him to expend some energy. I'll let my husband, Aaron, take it away from here and explain how he built the rock climbing wall.
Step 1 was to bring in the plywood. This is a 3/4 inch thick piece of plywood that I bought from Home Depot. I chose this piece because it is close to finished quality, just needed some light sanding. Also, it was only $65, which is a good price for thick plywood these days. At the big box stores, they will cut down wood that you buy from them. So I had this piece cut down to 80 inches in length, simply so I could get it home in our SUV. Step 2, clear the space. Step 3, I marked with tape the studs so that Megan and I could discuss and confirm the exact location for the climbing wall. Obviously, for a project like this, screwing into studs is a must. I would not be comfortable with any type of wall anchor. After we decided on location, I taped out level for the bottom edge of the board, and then Jimmy rigged some support boards so that we could rest the plywood while I put the first screws in. Step 4, I screwed the plywood to the wall. I began by doing just one screw, the bottom left corner. Then I could check level, but also I held the board so Megan could stand back and see if it looked level. Since walls and ceilings are not always straight and level, it is important that the board looks level. We wound up lifting one side about 1/4 inch. In addition to the corner screws, I did 4 screws in a square pattern in the center of the plywood, partially because I needed this to flatten the board against the wall, but mostly because the corner screws hit right on the edge of studs, giving a possibly imperfect hold. Doing the center screws allowed me to hit the studs fully and give the most secure hold possible. Step 5, install the climbing holds. We got these holds from Everett and Avery Co. and love them. We laid the holds out on the ground first to create a pattern that made sense, and then screwed them one by one to the wall. These holds are great because they have a second smaller screw hole, which I use to hold them in place, and then properly install the big screw. For this project, we did not use the big screws that came with the holds. The ones provided are the correct use for traditional climbing wall setup, more like a bolt situation, so that you can move them around. But for our use, I simply swapped out for some heavy-duty wood screws. When building a climbing wall like this, it is crucial that you use 3/4 to 1 inch thick plywood, because the screws need something to grip. And just like that, the rock climbing wall was done. One last thing, we are using my son's old crib mattress as a soft landing pad under the rock climbing wall for now. Since he has been upgraded to a twin-size bed and no longer needs the crib mattress, it's always nice to be able to repurpose an item that you already have on hand. Unlike some of the cheap plastic kids climbing holds that are on the market, these premium rock climbing holds are made with the highest quality fiberglass and resin materials. They are durable and weather resistant, making them great for indoor or outdoor use. These holds have a good texture as well, which lends to a better climbing experience and challenges the grip, strength, and agility of the climbers in a very authentic rock climbing way. We also love supporting small family-owned businesses, and we'll add a link for these holds in the video description box if you'd like to check them out.
Thanks so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!